The floating type caliper brake is a type of brake that is frequently installed in many vehicle models. A special characteristic here is that the brake caliper can be moved via the guide elements. Fixed or stiff guide elements are therefore frequently the cause for increased wear of the brake pads and brake discs, as well as unilateral brake behavior or thermal overload. The guide bolts should therefore always be checked for freedom of movement, contamination or damage during repair work. The dust protection collars, or damping sleeves, are also to be checked for damage. As can be seen here, it should be possible to easily move the guide bolts back and forth in the guide of the brake caliper carrier. Contaminated components should be cleaned before reuse with suitable cleaning agents. However, damaged components must always be replaced. Different repair kits are offered here, depending on the vehicle model and brake caliper type. Before inserting the guide bolts, the gliding surfaces are to be coated with a thin layer of a suitable silicone-based lubricant. Before the brake is assembled again, the brake piston and the dust protection collar are also to be checked for proper function and damage, and, if necessary, replaced. In this context, please observe the maintenance and repair instructions from the respective vehicle manufacturer.